So you want to go solar, but you want to make sure that your roof is taken care of. It's okay, I'm here to help you. You're welcome. Okay, let's start off by talking about the solar process and how it works. The first thing your solar provider should do is have their own checklist, their own assessment of your home and, of course, your roof. This includes the actual materials of your roof and the direction of your roof, as well as, well, any obstructions such as trees, pipes, AC units, vents. Now, if everything is in check, your solar provider will set up what is called a site survey or a professional roof assessment. The site survey is really essential, and it's basically a service where they come out and assess the condition of your roof. Now, remember, you want your panels to be up there for at least 20 years, and this is why it's so important to make sure that your roof is in great condition for the installation. The site survey is quick and easy. Basically, what they're gonna do is they're gonna come and assess the outside of your roof by using a drone, and then they will need to assess the foundation of your roof by going through your attic. Once this is all done, they will let you know if your roof qualifies. So this is the part where the homeowner literally freaks out, because obviously you're gonna have a bunch of workers come and be up on your roof, drill holes in your roof, and do whatever else that they're doing up there, and that's completely understandable. But this is, of course, where you wanna make sure that you do your research and hire a trustworthy solar company. Don't worry, I'm here to show you how you're gonna find out if this is a legit solar company. Of course, the first thing I recommend for you to do is actually check out their reviews. Make sure that they have a legitimate website, and you want to ask them a bunch of questions, which are: do you have leak warranty, and how long does your warranty last? A 5-year warranty is the industry standard. Now, if a leak were to happen, you will most likely notice this within the first year of your solar installation. And to be quite honest, nowadays leaks are actually quite rare. Solar companies caught on to this issue, and of course they upgraded and updated their installation techniques to prevent this. How will they prevent this from happening? Well, after the installation, they will actually seal the holes and put special flashings to allow water to flow away from the penetrations.
What I want to talk to you about today is the Unirac Solar Mount Flash Kit Pros. What these do is they tuck up underneath the shingles above. You can see that shingle's overlapping the flashing, meaning that water is going to run down over this metal flashing. It's caulked underneath, and that hole where the lag bolt has penetrated the roof is completely protected, sealing your roof from leaks and making sure that you have no problems with it.
What if my roof or something in my property gets damaged during the installation? You obviously want to make sure that your home and that your property is protected during the installation. A good solar provider will have warranties for the workers, your property, and of course, your roof. Not only that, but you want to make sure that they will be covered for the inspection and the installation. What if one of the panels is damaged during the installation? It really doesn't hurt you to ask these questions to your solar provider, because obviously you want to make sure that everything is covered. Your home, your roof, and of course the solar panels themselves. If your solar provider can answer all these questions and guarantee that they have all these warranties, and of course that they will take care of your home, your roof, and your solar panels, then you know that you are hiring a great company. Now, just a quick little advertisement for us, just so you know, we're not just a solar company, but we also do roofing. So, you know, good package deal. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and of course, like this video, show me some love. If you want to get a solar quote, or if you need any help with your roof, you can simply click the description box below for more information and, have a great day.